Our adventure today brings us to the hills of Springville, and I always wanted to come up to this big white patch you could see from the freeway. I'm not quite sure what it is. I've heard some say it's lime or something. I don't know. I haven't seen any signs, but
Eli, it's getting so steep.
it's very bright and white.
Eli, it's bright. I see a person in the car. It'll get too steep and fall. Oh, it's bright. Yep, you can't go in the car.
It's like snow.
Really?
Well, I'm saying it's really bright.
Yeah.
Pretty view over Springville, the lake. It's windy today, so it's dusty, unfortunately, and dirty in the air. But it's nice and warm, and that's good.
Could we use our hands to climb up it? I found a hole. Look.
Yeah.
Could we use our hands to climb up it?
Here's the top. Kind of weird, all this. Whatever it is.
Hey, Dad. Look at me. It's so cool. Oh, it's cool. And bright.
Yeah. Cool and very bright. Huh.
We can probably see our house from here.
Don't know what it is, but it's pretty neat.
If it was
Always wanted to come here, and now I have made it, finally.
We're gonna have to get up that rock.
No, we're not gonna go up that. We're gonna go that way.
Oh.
Into the canyon, somewhere different
We're gonna have a mint.
on our adventure.
I packed mint. What? Can I have one?
Okay, we are up in the canyon here, and our goal is to make it up towards those peaks. In between these peaks, it's nice and windy, keeping us cool in the canyon, right?
Yep. Yeah.
Take a little breather here
I'm gonna sit.
and keep going a little further. See where it takes us.
Dad, take.
All right, boys, how's the hike coming?
Good.
Good.
We're gonna get all the way up to there.
Nope, not today. Today we're just hiking in the canyon.
What if
Yep.
there's a massive hole?
That would be cool.
I should put on deodorant.
You don't need deodorant yet.
I do.
Take a little breather.
Armpit smell.
My boys' muscles are showing.
What? No.
Yeah, nice form.
A fly. A fly. A fly. A fly. A fly. A fly. A fly die. What? A fly what? A fly die. Are you eating or what?
Gross. That'll break your teeth.
Can I eat a little one and it won't break my teeth? I'm gonna swallow it. Yeah. Why?
Okay, we made it kind of to our area. I'm not sure how much further we want to go, but I wanted to make it up to the view of these peaks right here. Would it be cool to throw rocks off the top of that?
Some people have I've been up there.
There's the valley.
The Great Valley.
And then here's the other side with real steep peaks also. Really cool.
I farted.
All right, what do you guys think of the view?
Good, it's good.
Tired?
Yeah.
So tired.
I want to lay on the rocks so bad, but they're too hard for a pillow.
They are too hard for a pillow, yeah.
Well, you could sit on them. Hey, get off my leg.
Well, where should we go?
I don't know.
And no adventure would be complete without... Show us, Miles.
Adventure wouldn't be completed. Let me find the perfect thing.
Okay.
Here's one. Oh. What? No. Ready?
Without throwing rocks.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
Without hucking rocks over the edge.
You mean chucking? It's going. Tumbling. Miles, watch out. Okay. Oh, Dad. Dad, throw this one. This massive one.
Mine's still going.
Dad, throw this one.
Oh, it stopped.
And then this one. No, not that one, this one.
This one's on top of that one.
And then this one.
You.
Whoa! Okay, now throw this one. I'll throw one.
Whoa.
I'll throw one.
That's what we call a little rock slide.
Rock slide.
We're actually in a giant rock slide. This is where we're sitting.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah.
All these rocks have tumbled off the cliff, piled up over the gajillions of years. Avalanche!
Dad, throw this one now.
That one's pretty big, though.
I'll hold your GoPro.
You're gonna hold the GoPro?
Actually, I'll hold the GoPro.
No.
Okay. Make sure you can see me.
Okay, Dad. Should I record the tumbling?
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Watch out. Like that.
It looks like a long.
Whoa.
It looks like a long way down.
It is a long way down. That was a good one.
A good one.
Ooh, those are some big ones, Eli.
Which one? Yeah. So big. Dad, you see, this will be my biggest one yet, Dad.
Yeah, that was giant.
This is gonna be my ultimate biggest one yet. Ready, Dad? Look.
I did it.
Yep,
Ready, Dad?
yep.
Oh, I know. I have to hit so it makes it fall.
Nice.
The whole thing fall. Look, we gotta hit.
What if you go down with it?
I want to. That rock right there.
Okay.
Okay,
And
I'll
stand
try.
so close to the edge.
I hit it!
Yeah, good call, Eli.
Yeah.
Great.
Sweet.
Oh, I know. Try to hit it next.
Oh, let me get a big one. Let me try this one. I found one. Dad, I found one. I
Dad, it broke.
Big break.
Ready?
Oh, big jump.
Dad, ready?
Oh, that's a big one.
I know what rock to hit next. I know what rock to hit.
All right, we ready to roll back?
I know what rock to hit next. One more. All right. What'll be the one? Ready?
Okay, last
I'm
one.
aiming for there.
Oh, made that one go. All right,
We're heading home.
head back, my little whippersnappers.
It's that one will make it all fall.
I think that one's a little stuck.
Dad, when you get a big rock, I'll record.
Yeah. It's too daddy-ish.
Need a big rock. Let's see if I can grab one-handed.
I could grab one for you. Wait, and I could hold the go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. You know what one we're aiming for. It almost broke it. We need this one.
Wait,
now.
no, I'm gonna throw one now.
Oh, Dad's going again.
He is?
Oh, I made it get stuck.
I have an idea. So I'm gonna throw it so hard.
Oh, it's breaking.
Make it break. Ah! I'll hit it this time.
Okay, someone get it.
Oh, I'm ready.
Is it gonna be me?
Yeah.
No, it's me.
Is it gonna be me?
I shattered your rock.
Oh,
Nice.
he's gonna get it. Oh, I missed. Oh, Eli
My
missed.
turn. Who's gonna get it?
It's gonna be on next. Okay, we're done.
My turn. My turn, Eli. Ready?
Yeah. That's your turn.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my, that's Dad right there. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Ah,
Wait, that made it easier.
there it is. Get out of here, rock.
Did it.
Wait,
Get
no.
it.
I know what